Installing an internal M.2 drive and M.2 backplane. Lower the M.2 backplane onto the front air baffle, and then slide it forward until it is seated in place. Fasten the screw that secures the end of the M.2 backplane to the front air baffle. Fasten the screw that secures the middle of the M.2 backplane to the front air baffle. Connect the M.2 cable to the M.2 backplane. Turn the latch on the cable as shown, and press it down until it clicks into place. If necessary, adjust the retainer to accommodate the particular size of M.2 drive that you wish to install. Install the M.2 drive into the connector at an angle of approximately 30 degrees. Push the M.2 drive down until the notch catches the lip on the retainer. Slide the retainer forward to secure the M.2 drive. Install the front top cover.